42,000 gallons of oil spilled into the Columbia River during the peak Chinook salmon run. From Seattle, we are here today in solidarity with the people of Mosier, Oregon, and the tribes of the Columbia Basin.
We all need to be free of the worries of trains blowing up in our communities.
We call upon Governor Inslee to join us in urging the U.S. Department of Transportation to show due respect for the lives of everyone along the rail lines by immediately declaring an emergency prohibition on oil by rail.
We can stand in unity for all people.
Solidarity with the people of Mosier!